Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports, and we head to Switzerland, where the women's 100 meters featuring reigning world champion Shelly Fraser-Price, NACAC champion Sharika Jackson, and Commonwealth Games champion Elaine Thompson-Hera is expected to be one of the highlights of the Lausanne Diamond League meet this afternoon, starting at 1 Jamaica time. The three Jamaicans who swept the medals in the 100 meters at the last two major global championships will once again lock horns in the event at 1:39 p.m. Fraser-Price, Jackson and Thompson-Hera headline 14 Jamaicans down to compete at the meet. Olympic gold medalist Hansel Parchment will also renew his rivalry with American world champion Grant Holloway in the men's 110-meter hurdles, which will also feature Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Braunfeld. Stephanie Ann McPherson and Candice McLeod are once again expected to line up in the women's 400 meters alongside world championship medalist Marilene Paulino of the Dom Rep. Commonwealth Games champion Geneve Russell along with Rochelle Clayton and Antoinette Knight will compete in the women's 400-meter hurdles. World Championship silver medalist Brittany Anderson will feature in the women's 100-meter hurdles, while Andrew Hudson will contest the men's 200 meters. And in the field, World Championship silver medalist Shanika Ricketts and Kimberly Williams will do battle against the world and Olympic champion as well as world record holder Ulima Rojas of Venezuela in the women's triple jump. Now, 8-time Olympic gold medalist and double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt has expressed appreciation for being voted the greatest Jamaican sportsman over the last 60 years.
All I can say is that I'm just absolutely honored at this because I've worked hard throughout my career to build a legacy, and to know that people recognize it shows that with hard work anything is possible. I just want to thank all Jamaicans for everything. I really appreciate it. And I've always gone out there and tried to make my country proud. So, again, I just want to say thanks. I really appreciate it. And even though I've retired, I've always still tried to put Jamaica in the forefront because I love my country and I always want to see the best for it. So, thanks.
Some football news now. The Reggae boys are doing battle with Qatar behind closed doors. This at Sports Time in their second match of the four-team tournament in Austria. The teams were locked at 0-0 approaching half-time. Of course, the Jamaicans had lost 1-0 to Morocco in their opening match of the tournament on Tuesday. Qatar had ended 2-2 with the Moroccans in their opening match. Now, after hammering the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots by 55 runs in their opening match of the men's 60 competition on Thursday, the Jamaica Tallawahs will be back in action this afternoon when they oppose the Barbados Royals in their second encounter at 4:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Led by a blistering 45 from 18 balls from Fabian Allen, the Tallawahs posted a commanding 139 before bundling out the Patriots for 84. Now, in other games today, the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots, they are now taking on the St. Lucia Kings, and the Guyana Amazon Warriors will be opposing the Trinbago Knight Riders. And guess what? That is thumbs for now, and I am Jermaine Brown. Gio, it's back to you.